Hello there, my friends. So we're going to set up this Aprilboy Dashcam I got off of Amazon. So we're going to stop. It automatically starts recording. So you want to stop the recording, hit the settings. Okay, so check this out. So resolution, we want the best resolution. Recording time, we want this to be 5 minutes. So what's going to happen is the files are going to be 5 minutes long. So it'll record for 5 minutes. So I'll start a new file. Recording, yes, we want it to record. Here, pull mirror back. Okay, so this was normally set to close. And when it's set to close, what happens is the camera actually does the way a camera would actually look, the reverse camera. So what that means is, like, when you're driving, if the poles are on this side, when you're looking in here, the camera's looking this way. So when you're looking at it, the poles will be over here. And that's confusing if you're using this as a rear view mirror. So you want this open so that it's like, you're looking, these poles will be on this side of the display. And the stands over here, the bleachers, will be on this side of the display. Otherwise, it's crazy. And then this 180 flip pullback, this is like up and like vertical flip. I don't know why they don't call it vertical flip. All right, screensaver off. You want the screensaver off if you're using this as a rear view mirror, because otherwise what will happen is you'll be driving and then the screen will go blank. It'll still be recording, and then volume, you can set it for a couple different things. So volume is the volume of the beeps. Touch sound effect, you can turn that on or off, so that little beep. Gravity sensing. So this is like if somebody runs into your car while the car is parked, or you're driving and somebody hits you, then it changes it to the mode where it won't record over the recording. So I'm going to start that at high and see how that goes, and we'll go from there. Languages, obviously. Reverse line calibration. So this is like, like if you're going into reverse, there's these lines here that you can move to tell you how close you are to the other cars. I might do a separate video where I set that up. Time settings. Yep. So here's what we're going to do. This comes out automatically on January 1st, 2024. So today is it's April 28th. I think it's the 28th. And then this is what happens when you quit your job and you do YouTube full time. You don't know what day of the week it is. And the time right now is 8:48, so we'll get that up there. And we'll toggle this so that it's more exact later. 8:48. And then what I do is I leave it on 24-hour mode because I don't have to look for AM and PM. So 1300 hours is 1 o'clock PM. Right? And then hit OK when that middle line is right. And then format is for formatting the SD card when you first do it. Restore factory settings goes back to everything, and then contact us is like some information on where their email address is. So that's it. It's pretty simple. That's all set up now. So you can see it's 8:48, and it has the time and date, and it says Tuesday, and it's recording. And if you have any questions, let me know. I will be happy to answer them. And I didn't show the setup, but that's pretty simple. I'll do another separate video where I do the setup. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. I hope you have a great day. Take care.